Hey, I'm just doing a quick review for you for these urinary tract chews. These are for dogs. I got my little Yorkie here. The company did gift these to me. I'm going to tell you everything you need to know. You're getting 200 soft chews in here. Now, this little guy is 8 pounds, so he only needs 1 chew per day. They're little heart-shaped chews. This is what they look like. They got all kinds of good stuff. You know, there's cranberry extract in here, along with some other vitamins and things that they need. So it's a really good support for the urinary tract and the kidneys. Okay, so this little guy is very picky. So if you have a bigger dog, you're going to need to use more chews. 200 chews is going to last a long time. So this little guy absolutely loves his little treats. And of course, that's what these really are for him. He doesn't know that all the good benefits in there are for him. Look at that. He just devoured that. No, there's no more left, buddy. He's looking for every little bit of that. So he's very picky, so the fact that he ate that just like that tells me that they taste good for him. These are going to be a great support. They got all the good things there. I think they even said some vitamin C is in here. If you've got a dog of any size and you want to support their system, the urinary tract, the kidneys, this is going to be great to take on a regular basis. Just add this into the regular food regimen or their treat regimen. If this guy likes it, I think most dogs are going to like the way these taste. All right, Chewy, say bye. All right, that is our very, very quick review. Definitely check these out. And as always, thanks for watching.